Good day. My name is Van Nuss. I'm a business development manager here at STIHL South Africa. Today I've got the WP230. It's a little water pump and it's part of our 230 range. It's a developing market range, and the range consists of the water pump, an auger, a cultivator and a sprayer. These machines are widely utilized throughout on the farm, and a nice feature that is that the spares are interchangeable throughout the range. This water pump pumps 250 litres a minute. It has a pump height of 27 metres and a suction height of 8 metres, so it can be utilised anywhere where water needs to be moved on the farm. Enough about that, let me show you how it works. Thanks for watching.